You're not going anywhere, Nefarious.
Not so fast, Nefarious. You've done some underhanded things in your time, but this beats all. I'm starting to think there may not even be an Intergalactic Tool of Justice award.
Ladies and gentlemen, your president.
That's not one of mine.
Disengaging primary cryofeed.
Clank, get the light, would you? Huh? Oh boy.
What the? Lisa, where are we?
Little help here, someone? I think my thing is broken.
Oh, perfect. Can this get any worse?
Oh, Lance, kiss me, love me, hold me like you used to before you became a flesh-eating zombie.
Quark, would you?
You twit! You dare lay your squishy hands on me? If I get down from here, I'll rip you in half!
Excuse me? What you doing up there?
Hey! Hey, little girl. Can you get us out of here?
Aye, aye, Lumbax.
Ow! That's really gonna hurt.
A letter. And it's written in macaroni. Dear Lombax, these vac-U's will come in handy. Love, Susie.
Let me go, you half-wit!
I'm trying. Maybe if I just...
You okay, Nefarious?
Miserable, stupid, incompetent!
Please, we must all stay calm. We are going to have to work together until we find out where we are and how to get home.
Clank's right. For the sake of our own survival, and for drama, we must set aside our petty squabbles and act as a singular unit.
For now.
Kronk, Zephyr, man, it is good to see you guys.
It's good to see you too, kid.
Yeah, I'm sure do, lady.
Ratchet.
Thanks, Ilaris.
How's everything going with NEFA?
I can spell, you morons.
What is this thing?
We deployed them all around the planet so we can communicate and send supplies.
So you know where we are. That's great. You can come down and rescue me. Us. Collectively.
Well, no can do, Mr. President. See, we tracked your nav unit to planet Magnus, but someone fell asleep and piloted us into a darn asteroid field.
We're sort of stranded above the stratosphere awaiting rescue. But don't worry, when they get us, we'll get you. In the meantime, we've hacked into an old spy satellite to monitor your positions.
And we've set up a comm link with Gromonet. If you need weapons, just access one of these pods and wire us some bolts. We'll teleport the supplies to the surface.
Find a safe spot and hang tight, rookie. We'll get you off this rock. And you, I'm watching you. Whippersnapper.